Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Share Adapter Settings. Right-click your network device. Click on Properties. Click on Configure. Open the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection. Press Run Troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Press Try these repairs as administrator. Wait for your connection to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. Press Close the troubleshooter.